Hey guys, my name's welcome back, and this week I'm going to look at sky transitions. A few music videos have come out using this, including Future's new song, so let's get started. Fire up After Effects and import the clips and the background you want to replace. From here, I'm going to create a comp and place the clip and image of the moon onto it. Pro tip here, these images are taken off the internet. Make sure you have the right to use them. A quick trick here is to go to Google, go into settings and click on usage. From here you can choose the right usage for your clip. Let's go back into After Effects. Clicking on the moon, I'm going to change the blend mode to screen and place it under the clip. From here I'm going to add a luma key and place it into the clip. In the settings, I'm going to change the type to key out brighter and change the threshold to 127, but change the tolerance, edge thin and feather accordingly. This will remove the sky and let you see the moon. From here, I'm going to position the moon where I want. When you press play, the moon is flat as it doesn't move with the buildings. To do this, I'm going to track the building. First, click on the clip and disable the luma key. Then click on the track window and click on track motion. From here, you'll get a tracker point. I'm placing this on the point of the building where I know After Effects will track. Once tracked, create a null object. Go to Layer, New, Null Object. From here, go back into the track window and click on Edit Target. From here, make sure you select Null Object and hit OK. Go back to the track window and click Apply and OK again. This will make sure that the track information is placed in the null object. Just make sure you start from frame 1. From here, I'm going to parent the moon to the track information using the Pick Whip tool. The last thing I'm going to do is add a lumetri color to change the contrast on the buildings a little bit. And you're done. With the first one out of the way, let's move on to number 2. This is done very similarly to the first one, such as I've tracked the image, I've used the blend mode and even added a lumetri color effect. However, here I'm using a mask and animating it. Please animate it. I did it first without animating and had to go back and redo everything. Within the mask, I've added a feather. This is to blend the edge of the background into the water. From here, I've changed the blend mode to multiply. This will blend perfectly into the background. You can also go back and use the opacity tool to blend it in better. You can have a play with it and see which suits better. Here I've done 3 different versions. And that's it for this week. As always, please hit the like and subscribe button and I'll see you next week. Just a quick question before I go. I use a lot of Nuke as well, and I was wondering if anybody wanted Nuke tutorials. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next week.